Oh man. Oh, right there's the prices on it too.
Yeah. Curly hard maple quarter sawn.
Nice.
See how it's all real straight grain.
Yep.
That shows you a little bit better of the curliness.
Yep, that's awesome. Yeah, this is sweet.
There's a hard maple brown.
Wow, that is really nice.
When they say brown and white,
yep.
This is the brown that they pull out.
Yep. That is awesome.
Look at that stuff.
That is awesome.
Curly. That would really look up through there, you can see the curly. It's going to pop out in that.
Yeah, it's going to pop out in just a second, huh? That is awesome.
Countertop's already glued up and grained. Curly soft maple.
That is sweet. $16 for that board, or?
Yeah. 2 pieces. Almost 40 bucks. A little bit of hickory.
Nice.
Hackberry. No, hackberry, not hickory.
Yeah, it's hackberry.
Sorry, my eyes weren't seeing hackberry.
Awesome.
20 quarter.
Here's quarter sawn sycamore.
Yeah, I've used that before. That's pretty wood. That's really nice. Look at that one.
Oh man, yeah, that is sweet. Quarter sawed sycamore. Boy, I might have to make a project out of that now.
That's pretty.
Yep. That's awesome. Bird's eye.
Quarter ash.
Nice. Here's 10 quarter cherry, 81 bucks for that board.
Yep. You got all kinds of stuff in there. Check out that real big wide one there. Nope.
Oh man, that's sweet. We'll have to go over there here in a minute. Sugar pine. She waiting for us?
Quarter sawn white oak. He's getting things packed up. I think you might get him going.
Okay. I can. $280. It's 8 quarter red oak. I gotta see how wide this thing is.
22 inches.
Holy cow, almost 28 inches wide.
You know how big that tree was?
Yeah, right on. That thing was a monster. And look at that. That's gotta be
14 foot.
Yep. I can't believe their saw could cut that.
Oh yeah.
That took a big saw too. 6 quarter sugar pine, Osage orange, more orange, curly beech,
curly white oak.
Man, is that sweet. That's white oak. That's curly white oak, huh?
Look how defective that one is.
Oh man, is that sweet. I hope this camera is getting all that.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's more tiger than curly.
Mm-hmm.
That's sweet. They were both nice boards all the way up through there. Sweet. Butternut, number 2.
All right.
Yep. Just makes you.
Yes, it does. That there makes you want. Lots.
There's a lot of them. The mister's going on, keeps it at a perfect 8% humidity. buildings. Look at that Yoder toter.
It's M41.
Lumber everywhere, man. Everywhere, Chucky.
Yep.
Poplar boards. This is what amazes me. Look at the fucking logs. There's their sawmill right down inside there.
Nice. I'd love to go in there, man. I wish I could. They'd probably let me in there.
Oh, you can go right into the office there and ask them if we can get a...
Damn. Just look at the stacks of wood.
Yeah. Red oak, cherry, hickories.
Well, until next time.